Try.
How's the day?
Nice.
What's special?
Went to the mall.
Hmm.
Then me, my two grandmothers, and
Before mall, what did you do?
I went to a museum where
Which
there
museum?
were ships and all, Viking.
Chips and all. And what?
There were where Vikings live.
Vikings life.
Yes.
What else did you learn?
Stockhome City.
The Vikings were on the boat. It was a very big boat. So and the museum was of 7-8 floors.
7 floors.
Yeah.
Södertälje
Okay.
centrum.
What was there on the each floor?
Avstigning sker på vänster
It
sida
was
i tåget.
something amazing on the each floor.
The platform is on the left
What's the
side of the
speciality?
train.
What's something different?
So everybody saw something like this. This is the first floor. Here is the boat's deck.
Okay.
Are there? And the fourth floor was the last floor.
And what was on the last floor? What is it that you enjoyed a lot on the last floor?
It was faces.
Uh-huh.
It was human faces, Viking faces. The ship, they were Vikings. Their faces.
What was on the top floor?
The top floor. We just saw a video game. There were 3 video games, and then the full. We saw this much ships, and then we saw the ships.
What was the special about the ship? How big was the ship?
It was very big.
How much? How big?
Like a bus.
Like a bus. It was bigger than the bus?
No, equal.
Okay. And then?
And then after that we went to a tram. Then the tram took us to the food court. We ate our lunch, and then we went to other train, and then from the train we went to a mall where it take hours and hours. First in the mall, my dad and my uncle and my grandfather went to some shops, and my mom and my aunt went to other shops.
And you left alone.
And then two grandmothers were sitting near me. I was playing in the small playing area. It was this much slide.
Only this much?
Yeah.
And have you been to the longest slide?
Yeah.
Where?
In the where my uncle and aunt live near it.
Where did your uncle and aunt live?
In the building.
In the building. Where is the building?
Near the biggest hospital who 2, then 3.
Perfect. Okay. And then what did you do and in that playing area?
In the playing area, I just played. I saw small children, 3-2 years children. They were playing there. Then my aunt, my grandfather, my grandmother, and my 2 grandmothers went to home, and my uncle, mom, dad, and me went to game zone. We played many games there.
Which all games?
The bowling one, and the cars one, car one, and then it was a game like it was a shower coming from upside. It was a ball shower, and we have to take one ball and put it inside. It was a thing, circular.
Okay. So what did you like in the travel? Is it a tram? Is it a bus?
We didn't went in the bus.
So how about tram?
Yeah.
Was the
It
tram
was
better
nice.
than the train?
No.
No? Train is better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it is underground.
So you like underground train?
Yeah.
Okay. And what did you have today for the food?
I had in the lunch, I had crispy chicken and then French fries. And in the dinner, I have pizza, chicken pizza. And then I had ice cream. And then I'm coming to home.
Which ice cream? Vanilla?
No,
Then?
they don't have vanilla ice cream here.
Oh, is it?
I mean, in the shop, it was something kind of vanilla ice cream. White ice cream.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Chocolate. White
Yes.
chocolate.
Yes.
How was
it? It was very nice.
Was it a very nice or was it a best?
It was the best.
So it was the best you ever had.
Not ever had.
So what is the best ice cream that you ever had?
Raspberry candy.
Oh. Okay. And how about the food?
It was nice.
What was the best food that you had today?
No.
Today.
Yeah. Today.
Which one?
Crispy chicken.
Crispy chicken.
Yeah.
What else you had in Stockholm?
Then
So far.
what?
So far, what else you had? Pav Bhaji.
No,
Then
nothing.
cheesecake.
Yeah.
And
Pizza.
you guys had pizza? Okay. Homemade pizza?
Then, yeah.
Okay.
And then homemade garlic breads.
Homemade garlic bread?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to add?
No.
That's it for the day?
And just the dal bhat, which I was
Overall, how is
bored.
Sweden for you?
It is today and yesterday it was very cold. And
Cold?
yeah. And on
So would you like to stay?
Sometimes.
Not forever? How about you stay over here, complete your schooling? Why?
Till 5th standard.
Till 5th standard you will stay.
Yeah. For the schools.
So should I transfer you,
No.
your school,
No.
till 5th standard?
No.
You just mentioned no?
No.
Then
No.
why?
Because now the 3rd standard is going to start from some dates.
So we can do it from here, no?
Nah.
No?
No.
Why? Are you missing friends? Or are you missing teacher? Or are you missing school? Or are you missing city?
I'm missing hotness.
You don't like cool,
Nah.
ice,
No.
chill weather,
No.
snow?
No.
Älvsjö, Stockholmsmässan. Byte till övriga
Okay.
pendeltågslinjer.
What is the best thing that you like into the campus?
Tänk på avståndet mellan
Campus feeds.
plattformen när du stiger av.
Where aunt stay?
Please mind the gap between the train
Bunk bed.
platforms.
Bunk bed. Okay.
Exit the train.
What else?
Tåget fortsätter mot Södertälje.
My diary.
Diary. And so didn't you enjoy snowfall?
I also enjoy snowfall. It was 3 times snowfall.
So far?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Anything else? Done? Chalo. Bye bye.
Bye.